Bobby Valentino. You know how we do. Hi guys, right now, I'm really, like, we're in shambles. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? There's a lot going on here. There's clothes that are just, they're new, need to be thrown away. I was, you know, recording footage with my ring light. We have a lot of boxes. I have bags for Poshmark there. We just extracted the TV off the wall because that's what's coming with me to the new apartment. I got some clothes. These are all new clothes. The majority of these are new clothes, I believe, with a couple exceptions in the front. These are all new clothes that I ordered from Fashion Nova, so haul coming soon. And then I got some more stuff here. If you look real deeply, you know, I have like stuff for like when guests come, little decorations that are random. These were actually from Pretty Little Things, so I thought these were pretty cool. I have some napkins over there. I got a really cool vase that I'm excited to show you guys. I have some like body washes over here. I don't know why they're in that bag. I have that thing right here with the ridges. That's for dishes. I also have like some straws, some things I already opened, like this razor from, what is it, BJ's? So you have like the variety pack, so you know, I had to crack that open. We have some like this huge body wash, so we're never gonna run out of body wash here. We have some like, this is a acrylic organizer, and then you have another egg organizer that's sitting there that I will break down, and some more cleaning supplies, other stuff, water, and then I have my couch that has started to arrive today that has come in a couple pieces. So yeah, stay tuned. So right now it is 5:36 in the morning, and as you can see, I'm moving in 5 hours. So let's get this all packed. I cleared out this box to make room, have some bubble wraps, like gifts and like plastic stuff, diffusers, frames, new clothes, boxes that I've had from packages that I'm going to use right now to pack whatever else in. Right now packing, we're going to get all these boxes moving, and then I'll check in back with you guys in like, I don't even know. Wish me good luck.
Oh, go ahead, Lonnie. Go ahead.
That's fine. Yeah, get it.
Lonnie.
Why does it feel like plastic?
It's they have it back on time.
Yeah.
What's dangerous?
It's thin, so like don't let a child hold it because that can that'll snap.
You think it'll break? Is that why they put the thing on it?
Snap. Like it's thin enough to do this, but it's still looks sturdy.
That's why I said do not bend. I was wondering why. Not like the ones you get.
They want to touch it?
Everything custom is always.
See?
You like it?
Test it. Does that mean they took it already? Oh, there's the video. Okay.
Okay, hi guys. So as you can see, we started moving in already. So here is my best friend doing a brief overview of the apartment. So starting with the bathroom, we have a lot of space. I'm going to do a furnished apartment tour where I kind of go a little bit slower and show you the full bathroom. So I know this is kind of quick. Here's the bedroom. That's the closet. Pretty decent space, and there's paneling on the left-hand side. And then coming out of that, you have a closet to the right, and then our kitchen. And then we have like another room right there. That is the washer and dryer, as well as a lot of cabinet space. So here is a view of the living room. There's a lot of high ceilings, a lot of lighting. As you can see, we started with a TV installation immediately upon move-in. So that is why my best friend is recording. That is me with my other best friends and my nieces. And this is also a loft style apartment. So there is an upstairs, as well as like the living room is the main area, but you also have to go upstairs to get to that as well. So again, I'll do a more in-depth tour. There's a closet in the loft area. It has a lot of space. Again, more side to the left and the right, just paneling. And then here's an overview of what it looks like. As you can see too, there's a patio that I need to revamp and kind of work on there. So I'll make an entire video of what I use to kind of upgrade and revamp that outside area. But all in all, this is a pretty decent overview of what the apartment looks like. Kind of like housing style apartments. So there is nobody above me, there's nobody below me, and I love it. And I will do again a full view starting from the entrance soon.
This is the one that costs like this was really expensive, so I hope it looks nice. Yeah. This is the one I told you to drink me. I thought it was $15.
I thought Vaseline.
Yeah, Vaseline. Just a little. Yeah, just give me a
Don't give it any to Lonnie.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
It sounds like water about to be. What can she have the plate on?
Yeah, just the plate. The bracelet's good.
Yes.
You're right.
Where's the champagne?
First, I'm like, what are you talking about?
Okay guys, that is my adorable niece there. She's the cutest. But at this time it was like 8:30, and that is basically it. Like I said, you can see my friends were basically moving everything in. They built the couch, they built the nightstand, they built my bed, they built the coffee table. There's a lot of boxes. So again, I'm gonna do an in-depth apartment tour of it furnished. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.